It is really great to see that provincial and federal governments are putting money into food, because I do feel like schools were trying to do it a little bit on their own. My name is Shalene Heron, and I'm the principal here at Wâhkôhtowin Elementary School. What we can offer this year, now that we're part of the National Food Program, is completely different to what we could offer before. And in terms of staff, in terms of food quality, in terms of the amount of food, like I mentioned, offering the snack now for kids, it's just night and day to what we could do before.
My name's Wâhkôhtowin. I'm from Sturgeon Lake First Nation. My job title is Assistant Manager for Food and Nutrition with Saskatoon Public School Board. The needs of the community has changed with cultural diversity becoming much larger. We are able to produce menus and recipes that all kids can try.
They have like very unique foods here. I probably would have never even knew what a chickpea was.
I actually had one student come up to us and tell us that they haven't had bannock since their grandmother passed 4 years ago. And that really hit home because we were able to give them that comfort food and give them positive memories.
My name's Jordan Sakmanoglu. I'm Manager of Food and Nutrition Services for Saskatoon Public Schools Division. In general, regardless of your background, students are not eating enough fruits, vegetables. So this is really about creating a revolution for the next generations to come, that we can graduate students who are healthier with better education outcomes. At a school that we launched at last year, there's a student there who has autism. Meal times were very stressful for him. He had very few accepted foods. They encouraged him to start eating with the other students and eating what the other students were eating. And, slowly but surely, he became really interested in our food and one of our best eaters.
Coming to school and being able to have food to support the learning is huge for our students. We really want our kids to have the best education possible. We need to support them to be fed nutritious meals, to be ready to access that learning.